Oh, the land of the free.
From the mountains to the sea, hold the light, keep it bright, for the dawn of tomorrow's light. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dusty roads and city streets, from coast to shining coast. 250 years of dreams, the things we love the most. We built this house on solid ground, through the fire and the rain. We're standing tall together now, breaking every chain. Here in the land of the free, beneath the eagle's wings, listen to the song that every generation sings.
We pray for our children.
Let them grow up strong.
We pray for our country,
right where we belong.
We pray for our future.
Let the hopeful flags unfurl. Yeah, we're praying for America and praying for the world. Yeah, listen up. Whenever righteousness declines and the shadows try to rise, He will manifest the balance right before our very eyes. Understand the truth, don't let it be a mystery, cause the one who tolerates injustice is the biggest criminal in history. If you see something, say something. Gotta do your duty in the fabric of the struggle. Yeah, we gotta find the beauty.
I see the courage in your eyes, the neighbor down the street, a tapestry of different lives, where every heartbeat meets. From the fireworks in the summer sky to the quiet winter snow, we carry the torch our fathers lit and pass it as we go.
Here in the land of the free, beneath the eagle's wings, listen to the song that every generation sings.
We pray for our children.
Let them grow up strong.
We pray for our country,
right where we belong.
we pray for our future.
Let the hopeful flags unfurl. Yeah, we're praying for America, praying for the world. So step up to the plate, let your voice be heard. Vote for your children,
Vote for your country,
vote for your future.
vote for your world.
Now stand up straight, put your hand over your heart. 250 years, yeah, we're playing our part. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Here in the land of the free.
Yeah, the land of the free. Listen to the song
Here in the land of the
that every generation sings. Everybody sing.
We pray for our children.
Let them grow up strong.
We pray for our country.
Right where we belong. We pray for our future.
Pray for our future.
Let the hopeful flags unfurl. Yeah, we're praying for America and praying for